Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I am going to solve the word problems of linear equation of class 8. Okay, because I've seen many children facing problem in forming the equations. Okay, so I hope you will understand. Here in this question it's given that there are two numbers. Okay, one number is 5 more than the other number. It means the smaller number is lesser than the bigger number by 5. Okay, also 5 times, the next condition what it is given, that also 5 times of the smaller number is equal to 4 times the larger number, and the smaller number, if we make it 5 times, it will be equal to 4 times of the bigger number. So we have to find both the numbers. Okay, so we have to go through the question. If you don't understand once, read it twice. Okay, so as it's given that one is 5 more than the other, so what we are going to do, we are going to take the smaller number as x. Okay, let the smaller number be x. Okay, so the bigger number will be, as the bigger number is 5 more than the smaller, so it will be, bigger number will be x plus 5. Okay, so we have taken smaller number as x and the larger or the bigger number as x plus 5. Now the second condition, according to the question, it's given that the 5 times of the smaller number is equal to the 4 times of the bigger number. So according to the question, the 4 times, the 5 times of the smaller number we have taken as x, so it will be, and it is 5 times, so we are going to multiply 5 to x, so 5x is equal to 4 times of the bigger number. 4 times of the bigger number. Bigger number is x plus 5. Okay. Now 5x is equal to 4 will be multiplied to the both terms. Okay. So it will be 4x. Generally I've seen that what the kids do, just they multiply only if there is n in multiplication, they multiply only the first term. Okay, they leave the second term, and that is why they are getting their answers wrong. So 4 into x is 4x plus 4 5s are 20. Okay, now the same terms we are going to break it one side. So 4x will come here, so it is in plus, so it will become minus 4x is equal to 20. So 5x minus 4x is equal to x, and x is equal to 20. So the smaller number we have taken as x, so we got it as 20, and the bigger number is x plus 5. So it will be, first you will write smaller number is equal to x is equal to 20, and the bigger number is equal to x plus 5, and x, the value of x we got as 20, so it will be 20 plus 5, that is equal to 25. So the smaller number is 20 and the bigger number is 25. Okay, so children, hope you understood the explanation, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.